Hi there and welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of my ukulele chord melodies, The Water is Wide. This is available for free at my website at ukestuff.info. It's also available in a collection of chord melodies that I sell at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. In this video, I will demonstrate the song on GCEA ukulele. Then I'll demonstrate it on baritone DGBE ukulele. Following that, I'll do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele and then a tutorial for baritone DGBE ukulele. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, the Uke Stuff channel and the Uke Play-Alongs channel. And third and finally, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you find that you like chord melodies, if you go to my website, ukestuff.info, and you go to ukulele music, you'll not only find my resources, but the resources of Elizabeth Ragsdale, some work by Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, and a link to the works of the late ukulele Mike Lynch. However, those are paid resources. And I should also mention that in addition to selling this song as part of a larger collection, you can also find books of carols and a book of hymns for sale at those same spots, buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. Now let's do a tutorial for GCEA ukulele. Let's start with a G chord, and we're going to play third string, second string twice, first string open, and then your full G chord. First string open twice, ring finger comes down to the second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string open, and then if you play the G chord, play strings 4 and 3. Then we're going to work within that G chord again. Third string, second string, and then move down to the second string, second fret, and then slide up to the second string, third fret, and fingers 2 and 3 go to the fourth and third strings at the fourth fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, then the first finger is going to go to the first string, second fret, the second finger is going to go to the second string, third fret, and the ring finger is going to go to the third string, fourth fret, play strings 3, 2, and 1. Then C chord, first string, second fret, D chord. First string open, first string, second fret, first string, third fret. And then what you have to do is you have to jump up to the first string, fifth fret with the first finger, then fingers 2 and 3 play at the seventh fret, play strings 3, 2, and 1. First string, third fret, first string, second fret, all 4 strings open. Second string, third fret by itself, G chord. First string open, second string, third fret, second string open, then G chord strings 4 and 3. Third string, open strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, third fret, and then a G chord strings 4, 3, and 2. Now if you're going to go back and repeat, you'd play third string, second fret, second string, third fret, first string open and go back. Otherwise, you just let strings 4, 3, and 2 the G chord ring. And that's The Water is Wide on GCEA ukulele. Now let's do a tutorial on baritone DGBE ukulele. We're going to start by outlining a D chord, and you're going to play third string, second string twice. First string open, then full D chord. First string open twice. Ring finger is going to come down to the second string, third fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string open, make a D chord, play strings 4 and 3. Third string, second string, and then the second string is going to play the second fret, and then slide up with the second string, third fret, and put fingers 2 and 3 on the fourth and third strings at the fourth fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. First string open, then first finger is going to go to the first string, second fret, second finger is going to go to the second string, third fret, and the ring finger is going to go to the third string, fourth fret, play strings 3, 2, and 1. Then G chord, first string, second fret, A chord. First string open, first string, second fret, first string, third fret, and then jump up to the first string, fifth fret with your first finger and put fingers 2 and 3 on the third and second strings at the seventh fret, play strings 3, 2, and 1. First string, third fret, first string, second fret, all 4 strings at one time, then second string, third fret, then a D chord. First string open, second string, third fret, second string open, D chord, strings 4 and 3. Third string, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. D chord, but play just the second string, D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now if you're going to go back and play the repeat, you'd play third string, second string, first string open. Otherwise, you just let strings 4, 3, and 2 ring for the end of the song. And that's The Water is Wide on baritone DGBE ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of The Water is Wide, one of my ukulele chord melody arrangements. You can find it for free at ukestuff.info. You can also buy it in a collection of songs that are together that is available at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.